Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Minimalist bedroom design embodies simplicity, functionality, and tranquility, creating a serene and clutter-free space that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Rooted in the principle of less is more, minimalist bedrooms focus on essential elements while eliminating unnecessary distractions, allowing for a sense of calm and mindfulness to prevail. At the heart of minimalist bedroom design is the concept of decluttering and streamlining the space. This involves paring down furnishings, decor, and accessories to the essentials, creating an uncluttered and spacious environment that promotes a sense of openness and serenity. By removing excess furniture and belongings, minimalist bedrooms foster a sense of tranquility and harmony, making it easier to unwind and recharge after a long day. When it comes to furniture, minimalist bedrooms favor clean lines, simple forms, and functional designs. Opt for sleek and streamlined pieces with minimalist aesthetics, such as platform beds with integrated storage, floating nightstands, and low-profile dressers. Choose furniture with natural materials and neutral finishes to create a cohesive and calming atmosphere that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. In terms of color palette, minimalist bedrooms often feature a neutral color scheme with subtle accents for visual interest. Opt for soothing shades such as white, beige, gray, or soft pastels to create a serene and airy ambience. These neutral hues serve as a backdrop for minimalist furnishings and decor, allowing them to take center stage while contributing to a sense of tranquility and harmony in the space. Minimalist bedroom design also emphasizes the importance of ample natural light and unobstructed views. Maximize natural light by opting for sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to filter into the room during the day. Avoid heavy drapes or window treatments that block light and create a sense of enclosure. Additionally, consider positioning the bed near a window to take advantage of natural light and enjoy views of the outdoors, fostering a connection with nature and enhancing the overall sense of well-being in the space. When it comes to decor, less is more in minimalist bedrooms. Choose a few carefully curated pieces that add personality and warmth to the space without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Opt for simple and timeless decor elements such as a piece of artwork, a potted plant, or a statement light fixture that serves as a focal point and enhances the overall ambience of the room. In conclusion, minimalist bedroom design embraces simplicity, functionality, and tranquility to create a serene and clutter-free space that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. By focusing on essential elements, decluttering the space, and incorporating clean lines, neutral colors, and natural materials, minimalist bedrooms foster a sense of calm and mindfulness, making them an ideal retreat for unwinding and rejuvenating after a long day.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!